what we want to see is how is the level of restoration. Beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vulcan Alpha, kinda under construction video, because today we'll be testing out our Shining 3D FreeScan Combo HX scanner. Yes, I got the name right. And our subject for today's video is the BMW A30 that has been skillfully crashed by me and skillfully rebuilt by someone else. But of course I paid for all the damages because that's how we do things around here at the Nürburgring. So the purpose of today's video is, again, we have here the Shining 3D FreeScan Combo HX scanner that we've picked up previously, that you have seen the video of. And what we want to see actually is how is the level of restoration. If there are any panel gaps, if there's anything else we want to see. Lapo, can you tell us more from a technical side before I start talking nonsense?
First step is to put the scanning dots on. So we're going to create a map of the fascia of the car, and we're going to see if all of these panels are going to match on the other side. We're going to scan this part, we're going to scan that part, and then we're going to switch them and see if they overlap correctly.
Nice, nice, very cool.
Yeah.
All right, fast forward to the dots application. Now you're actually gonna start scanning the surface, the car. Scan mesh instead of markers. Hey, I know something!
And then we have 26 lines, which should be the faster one. So,
all right. Beautiful. So cool. You want a laptop closer to you?
I can see it.
As you can see, we're still very under construction. We're gonna have actually a movable trolley later, once we're done unboxing with 200 other things like there and throwing away other stuff. That's why it's Vulcan Alpha under construction video, because we are. Oh yeah, let's scan the badge and replicate it. Letter of cease and desist coming in. So now we have it.
Yeah, we have the front fascia of the car.
Nice.
And you can see how detailed the
Like this, you can zoom in a lot. Yeah. And we even used only, I think, medium resolution, or?
Yeah, that's the lowest resolution there is.
Oh, this is the lowest, 26 line.
And we can go even smaller, so this is 0.5 millimeter, and then we can go all the way to
0.02.
Yeah,
2, yeah. I think this is already quite enough.
Yeah, now we can cut it in the middle and mirror and see what happens.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah.
Well, that's even smarter than I thought. I thought we were just gonna like measure literally every panel gap manually and see what happens.
We can also do that, but...
Yeah, we can do both.
Mesh done.
Okay.
So we have maybe a bit too many triangles. We have 2 million, so let's swing it. Let's see if the new PC can handle 2 million triangles.
Well, I mean, it's my old laptop, so let's see if it can handle it. I'm sure your PC can handle it. So you're gonna export the mesh now to your PC or what?
Yeah.
All right.
So we're gonna save it, and we're gonna put it on the drive and open it on my PC.
Yeah, just like, sounds good. So we can already measure the stuff in the Shining 3D software, actually.
So 644, and then if I do second point, 640. So it also depends on if I click in the right.
If you clicked in the accurate
so
spot.
I think we should do it on the software. So.
All right, let's do that. So
but you can measure stuff if you have a mouse.
If you're in a hurry, yeah.
Yeah, and you can measure stuff.
Yep. All right, let's have a look. Quick teleportation to the main office and to the main screen and the main rig, where we now imported the scan into Autodesk. So what are we doing next?
So we're gonna split the mesh in two and mirror one part on the other side, and so we see how close it is to matching.
Okay, so symmetry is the most beautiful thing according to the human brain.
Okay, now I'm gonna change the color.
Okay.
Give a second because it's loading. It's 2 million faces of a mesh, so polygons, so it's a bit heavy. Actually, it's pretty spot on. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
You think so?
Yeah. So I'm gonna take this one off. I'm gonna create aspect, display mode. So now we should see that the car is slightly off, but I mean here it's pretty much
So the yellow is one side and...
So basically the pink is the other side mirrored in the middle plane, see here? So you can see that it's slightly off, but it's not bad for a
not horrible.
30-year-old car. So
yeah,
36.
more, 36-year-old car that has been crashed and repainted.
So you see, where was the crash?
On that
right
side,
there,
yes.
exactly there.
Exactly, yes.
So I can see that this part is pushed a bit in because the other part is the, let's say, good part, right?
Yeah,
So being this part out, it means this part is slightly in still. But I mean, we're talking, I can tell you by how much.
Yeah, the fenders are, they're original fenders, but from another year of a car.
Okay.
Because the fenders that were on the car,
Trash.
no fixing.
Okay.
Mm.
I mean, it's not a bad job.
Yeah.
Here it's pretty much bang on, as you can see.
It's
So.
nice. Yeah.
It's good.
Better than I thought.
Yeah, actually yes.
Yeah.
So can you do the exact measurements of what you said? Like
Yeah,
what the difference is?
I can do a projected measurement, so we can see exactly what's the deviation. So.
And I flared the arches to fit the tires.
So this
That's
is
also
5
another-
mil.
5 millimeter.
Yeah, more or less.
more or less, yeah.
So it's a projected measurement, so it could be a little bit more, a little bit less, but
It's not horrible.
No, it's 5 mil.
I mean, depending on if it's a
On your
hypercar, I would be
Yeah,
pissed.
okay, but
Yeah.
this is a 36-year-old
Exactly.
BMW
Yeah,
Track car.
track car that's
So-
been driven hard and
Yeah.
will be driven hard.
That's very good. That's actually really good.
Still better than Tesla.
It's true.
Oh man,
It's true. It's true.
we're gonna get so much hate comments.
But yeah. that's-
Nice. Do you want to check any other panels, or it's? I think that's the most important one.
That's the biggest one. Is this one? The grill meshed pretty good.
Mhm.
Yeah, this one side is original part and the other side is remanufactured part.
Okay.
So that's probably where it's a bit off.
Yeah. But it's pretty cool.
But it's not noticeable by eye, I think.
It's pretty good, man. Like from the front, it's bang on.
Yeah.
So as you see, also the grill here, it's there's 5 mil off.
Yeah.
And
Basically spot on.
Yeah, for this era of a car.
Very good.
yeah,
Very nice.
should be happy.
Yeah.
Yep.
I am.
Perfect. And after that quality control, it's now time to take off the markers.
It's just gonna be a pain.
Is it? Is it really that difficult?
They stuck very well.
Oh. Well, that's actually not that bad. It requires a bit of finesse.
So on the Speedster would be a blast because you just scratch it.
Yeah,
You have fresh paint.
Well, actually, I heard that Shining 3D is releasing a new scanner soon that will not require any markers at all. I mean, you can already now scan with infrared, but the upcoming one, you can actually really scan. I don't know the technical terms. I know that it can properly scan without the markers. So maybe we can have a play with that in the upcoming video. And other than that, I guess that's kind of it. We just want to show you how it works and what we can do. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe if you have some ideas what you want us to do, something for you, maybe some quality control, or or what you want us to see scan in the future. We still need to scan Pancake, I know, but that's going to be like the bigger challenge. I think Klapa needs a bit more practice first with the scanner, because that's probably like the end boss. Scan Pancake.
Yes.
For people who are tuning in for the first time, Pancake is my dog, Australian Shepherd, so she will not sit still. And that could be a challenge for Shining 3D. Develop a scanner that can scan a dog instantly. Anyway, I'll start talking nonsense. So on that note, thanks again for watching, for tuning in, for tuning the cars as well, for fixing the cars. And see you in the next video. Bye!